we've seen how to access our JSON weather data and parse single-field data. Next, let's look at how we can drill down and get data inside a nested JSON object. For our Stormy app, we want to get data inside the currently key, seen here. Why don't you give it a try yourself? Pause me, write it out, and come back and see how you did. Let's declare a new JSON object variable. So we can put it down here. We'll call it currently. It's equal to forecast. We'll get JSON object. Currently. How did you do? I'm sure you did great. Let's take another look at our JSON. We now have all the data we need to create a new current weather object using our current weather model. There's several data points to fill in here, so let's get started. Go back over here to main activity. Let's create our current weather object. Current weather, call it current weather, new current weather object. Now we set all the values from our data model. Set humidity. It's a double, so we get double. And it's humidity. Set time. Get long, and that's time. Set our icon. For the location label, we'll just hardcode the location, Alcatraz Island, California. Current weather. Set location label. Alcatraz Island, California. Oops. Current weather. Set precip chance. And that's a double. And that key was precip probability. Set the summary. Get string summary. And then we'll set the temperature. That's a double, and that's temperature. Now that we have a current weather object, we can return that instead of returning null. Great work! How do we check that everything is working so far, though? We don't have a layout yet to view all this data. We could add a lot of log statements to our code, but that seems tedious. Let's use the debugger. If we set a breakpoint in our code, we can investigate the variables at that breakpoint. So let's set a breakpoint here at current weather and run the app using the debugger. We go here into the debug screen. Show our currently object. Step into it. So right now, we don't have any values anywhere. If we step over each line, if we open up current weather, we notice we don't have any values. If we step over, everything will get populated line by line. Congratulations! We now have a fully populated data model. Nice work!